Belgium makes his way out onto the podium. Podium number 183 for the 7-time world champion. Carlos Sainz manages to equal his best ever results in Formula One from Monza in 2020 and Monaco in 2021. And runner-up for Ferrari.
He is his other driver, Carlos Sainz, there. You know, maximum points for the team. 1-2, the fastest lap.
To the fans to say thank you for all the work that they've put in, and the work will continue. We'll be in Jeddah in 7 days' time for more. Podium, 2/3 and a second, and a 17th consecutive points finish, which is the longest active streak on the grid. Charles Leclerc in second place already has more podium finishes this year than he did last year, and it's 2. And Max Verstappen, on the anniversary of his dad's debut in the '94 Brazilian Grand Prix, stands on top of the podium and wins for the first time in 20 to the paddock. This is Red Bull bouncing back with not a convincing victory, but a victory nonetheless.
It was pedal.